got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I seen y'all wanted to catch it real quick.
Man, I sure appreciate it. I seen this thing flapping all kind of wind around. I said, I gotta get it one of these days.
Today's the day.
And you, what kind of stuff did you have at first? You always had Crossfire?
Yeah, I've always run Crossfire in this build. Yeah. XT3s.
Those are the last ones they put out, right?
Yeah.
The new ones, yep.
Yeah, they got the XT4, but this is the XT3 here. I'm gonna give you two different ones, okay?
Okay.
Joints. Impressive. And then we'll give you a little bit of highs.
That thing is impressive.
Appreciate it, man.
I didn't do it because I'm going to close my eyes on it.
Let me come over and let you out, bro. Okay.
Shannon Gibson guy.
Yeah, man. Built broke up.
Are you broke it already? Oh, yeah.
Oh, this short's head. I got a new one ready for it.
Tell them know you're running in here, man.
Do what?
Let them know what you're running in here.
It's 9 XT3 15 Crossfires on 3 surge, 10 Ks, 195 ampere C-Max, and 3 400 amp big man.
Y'all be
How much you mentioned high?
Yeah, you got a lot of them there. Y'all be sure to give them Shannon Gibson, right?
Shannon Gibson, yeah. Gets the customer close.
That's it. That's what I was looking for. Y'all be sure to give him a phone. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, bro. That sounds good. I appreciate it, man.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.